92 green Z34 here, and what we got for you guys today is Bacardi Wolfberry.
This is good.
Blueberry. What the hell is it? Infused with Wolfberry, blueberry rum, Bacardi rum with natural flavors, 35% alcohol by volume. Got some really interesting looking little stamps down here, not that you can see them, but it does have them. Barcode.
Stop being a loser.
You can hear him.
I can't really read this shit. Enjoy responsibly. Consumer information. Bacardi.com contains natural ingredients stored away from direct sunlight. 50 milliliter, government warning. Bottled by Bacardi.
Flashback at you.
Bottling Corporation, Jacksonville, Florida. That's what it says in the fine print.
With my mom? No pants on!
Alright, so we're cracking her open. The lid is a Bacardi lid, which is a bat looking thing.
Five shots in a hole.
It's a clear color.
Smell it.
Ooh, smells delicious. It smells...
Do it when you want to come.
Smells good. Smells like some fucking blueberry-tastic shit.
Oh my god, it smells like bubble gum. It smells like car wash soap.
Ooh. Oh my god, this smells awesome! It smells like bubblegum!
I smell my own farts.
You're cute, guys.
Alright, this is what we're leaving in here. For the other two, because these are awesome.
Okay. Me
You
and
too.
the hot lady over here.
What hot lady?
Both of us.
So, whenever you guys want, go for it.
You ready? Go. It tastes like blue bubblegum. But really good bubblegum. Blue bubblegum.
When you want to go do it.
Relax.
Don't do it when you want to come.
Me and Logan get our taste shot. Yeah.
Oh, my old lady swallows more than this in an evening.
Yeah, cheers.
Definitely berry. Oh, twangy.
It's
The
like,
flavor is good, but it is a boozy vodka
good, but-
flavor.
I would buy this if I were you.
Actually, it might be the hot
Well, actually,
chocolate.
I would buy it if it's me.
Yo, what it is, motherfuckers?
We're gonna get copyright.
No, we won't.
I love Bloodhound Gang. Good.
They're so cool. I'm high on crack.
Drugs are bad. Mine.
Okay, stop singing and tell the viewers how you think of it.
Wow, holy shit!
You think it's holy shit? I think it's awesome, viewers. So, this is our wrap-up, our review, our music
Well, I think it's good, but it's wow, twangy on the booze part.
I would definitely buy this, viewers.
I'm gonna say it's very blueberry-tastic. In fact, I would definitely recommend the flavor, except it is...
Blueberry rum, bitch. Okay, boss.
Except for it is very, very flavorful booze, and it's a bit strong. So, thanks guys for watching, and as always...
Have a good day.